Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a MetaMask wallet. First, you need to understand what MetaMask is and why it's essential for interacting with decentralized applications. It acts as a bridge, allowing you to manage your digital assets like Ethereum and other tokens directly from your web browser. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you set up your wallet correctly and securely. Next, let's get MetaMask installed. Head to your browser's extension store and add MetaMask. Once installed, you'll create a new wallet and set a strong password. The most crucial step is securing your secret recovery phrase. Write it down and keep it safe offline. Never share it with anyone. This phrase is the only way to recover your funds if you lose access. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Quick recommendation: for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Your support helps us create more content. Now let's get back to the video. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to fund it. You'll find your unique wallet address at the top of the MetaMask interface. Copy this address and use it to send Ethereum or other compatible tokens from an exchange or another wallet. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction. Once sent, the funds will appear in your MetaMask wallet after blockchain confirmation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.